This American Flyer 322 Hudson with smoke and tender did not run. The only thing that worked was the headlight, and there was a click out of the reverse unit. Disassemble the brush plate here, clean out the brushes, and then, of course, pull out the armature and clean off the commutators. Reinstall, put all appropriate lubrication in. The ratchet mechanism wasn't dropping. It basically works on gravity. So what I've done right here is I've taken a spring, very small spring, out of a quick set lock tumbler set. Any small spring will do, maybe even a ballpoint, and wrapped it around this screw and underneath so as to provide a little bit of pressure so it doesn't get stuck and hung up. All right. Bracket holding the drawbar came loose, so I center punched the two round bosses to secure it tightly to the cab. The center axle on the 322 originally had two black plastic wheels. What I've done is I've taken the wheels set from a Pike Master lighted caboose, which has one black and one metal, and now I use them as a pickup. The wheels are spaced 21.5 millimeters apart. That point of measurement is where the flange meets the flat of the wheel. The eyelets, these were added to the front and rear axle of each truck to get a little bit of clearance.